Your gut right now is either your greatest health asset or a ticking time bomb, and stress is making that decision for you. Inside your intestines, there's a microscopic war happening, and most people have no idea they're losing. Here's what happens when stress hits your body. Your brain floods your system with cortisol, the stress hormone. Within minutes, this cortisol reaches your gut and starts killing off beneficial bacteria. Not just a few, we're talking about entire colonies wiped out. Studies show that even a single stressful event can reduce your gut bacterial diversity by up to 30% in just 24 hours. That's catastrophic because your microbiome controls everything from your immune system to your mental health. But it gets worse. Chronic stress doesn't just kill good bacteria, it creates the perfect environment for harmful bacteria to thrive. These bad actors produce toxins that leak through your now damaged intestinal walls directly into your bloodstream. This is called leaky gut, and it triggers inflammation throughout your entire body. Your brain, your joints, your skin, everything starts breaking down because your gut can no longer protect you. The symptoms show up everywhere: brain fog, anxiety, weight gain that won't budge, constant fatigue, skin problems, and an immune system that can't fight off even simple infections. Most people treat these as separate issues when they all trace back to one source: a destroyed microbiome. So how do you fix it? First, you need to stop feeding the damage. Cut out processed foods and excess sugar because harmful bacteria feast on these. Second, introduce diversity through fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir. These deliver live beneficial bacteria directly to your gut. Third, feed your good bacteria with fiber-rich foods, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. They need fuel to multiply and reclaim territory. But here's the game changer most people miss. Stress management isn't optional, it's medical treatment for your gut. Just 10 minutes of daily meditation or deep breathing can lower cortisol enough to let your microbiome recover. Exercise works even better because it increases bacterial diversity naturally. Your gut can regenerate remarkably fast when you give it the right conditions. Within 2 weeks of changing your diet and managing stress, you'll see measurable improvements. Within 3 months, you can completely transform your microbiome from a wasteland into a thriving ecosystem. The question is, will you start today or wait until the damage becomes irreversible?